put on YouTube, like, there are no Seagull Lake Boundary Waters ice fishing videos.
I'm on it.
One is heavier than the last one. We got one on the ice. This is a big fish, and this is the second trout now in about 15 minutes. So let that thing tire itself out. You got a good hook set on it. Keep the tension on the line. Yeah, this is about a 6-pounder, I bet. There you go. He's right at the bottom of the hole here, like when one has to run here. This is a good one. White soft plastic jig there. And that is a lake trout, my friends. Woo! I want to know how much that weighs.
You got a scale out here? Otherwise I got one more.
I don't need to catch another fish all weekend.
Yeah.
Making a hot stew in my boot with all the water.